Hello, everyone. Sorry, I have like an itch that I have to scratch. All right. It is the new year. I think now it is so important to wear a mask. I think it is the most important time. But that said, it has always been important to wear a mask, and you should have always been wearing a mask since day one. But now, with the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, and I guess Chinese New Year is coming up, and then Valentine's Day is coming up, but Anyway, so for the big family holidays, people have not been observing social distancing rules, and the cases are going up. And we don't know how much worse this is going to get, so it is important to wear your mask and social distance. So my last mask video had pretty good reception, so I figured I would do another one again because during the holiday season I was at the doctor's offices and I started noticing that they had signs posted up that said something along the lines of, due to the rise of COVID cases, we ask that patients wear surgical masks without a vent. Any patient or patron, I don't remember the wording, who comes in with a cloth mask will be provided a surgical mask. So people aren't playing around, especially medical institutions. You need to wear a surgical type mask. So today I am going to talk about two surgical type masks. Well, not two, it's actually one. These two, because last time I didn't have another example of a mask that didn't fit my face, but I got one. And this is one that kind of does fit my face. So the reason why I concentrate on these types of masks is because the N95s, the KN95s, the ones that are like this, or the duck ones, any of those approved surgical masks don't actually fit my face that well due to the fact that I don't have a nose bridge. And no matter how like tight or how much I pinch like the nose wire, even in these there's always a slight gap because my nose is just so small and like flat against my face. So this is what I wear. I think it is, for me, the best type. I have tried, again, N95s. I've tried the KN95s. I have neck gaiters. Don't wear those. I also have cloth masks, which, again, I don't wear because of all the gaping, like, on the edges. And I also have masks that the mask covers, so it's like a fabric cover that you slide this mask into. Don't wear them. So these are I think are the tried and trues. So this is the mask that fits my face. So as you can see, I still do have a little bit of a gap, but I mean it's not as bad as like the other ones where I'm wearing them and they're like this. It's awful. So when you put them on, you have to pinch the nose wire against your nose. I cannot stand when I see people on the train or on the bus and they just put it on and it's just open. Like, what are you doing? So as you can see, it covers myself all the way down to my chin, and then there's not a whole lot of gaping on the side. Obviously, this is always going to stick out because that is for the pleats to open. So this is never going to be close to your face, but at least this is. It's not a complete seal, but it is better than anything. If there's holes, like a big hole here, you shouldn't be wearing it. This is the one that doesn't fit my face well. I got this one at work when my other mask like got caught on my Medusa and it ripped out some of the fibers, and the fibers just kept getting in my mouth. Didn't like it. So as you can see, this one's like much looser than the one that I was wearing. So this one, it kind of fits. The nose wire is a little bit more bendy, but if you can see, the gap on the side is so big, and this is fine, this is fine, and this is huge, but it's so loose as well that if I like talk, it like slides down. And that's not good. Whereas the one that does fit my face, if I open my mouth, it stays put. It slides a little bit, obviously, because you're opening your mouth, but it's not going anywhere. I'm not saying that you should be wearing a mask that's like super, super tight against your face, because that's really uncomfortable. And then super tight masks also hurt your ears after a while. No, not saying that. Just saying to wear one that fits snugly. Another thing is, do not wear your mask like this, okay? Like, this isn't protecting anyone. I read a breaking news article the other day that said that these two holes in your face are connected to your lungs, so that when you wear your mask like this, the coronavirus goes through these two holes and travels down your nasal passageway, down past your throat, and into your lungs. Okay, so you don't want to do that. It's stuck. Another thing that is super, super, super important that I see so much on public transit or on the street, and it just annoys the crap out of me, is when people wear their masks like, you know, a good citizen does, and they go like this. Achoo! What is the point of wearing your mask if you pull it down to sneeze or cough? Okay, I totally understand that I've coughed and I've sneezed and I've had runny noses in my mask, and it's disgusting because when you cough and you sneeze, all of your like saliva water droplets like get into your mask, and then the mask is pressed against your face and you're like breathing in your like moisture, and then it's just sitting like on the mask, and then it's just and disgusting. I understand, okay? So gross. However, you are not protecting anyone. You're actually possibly killing people by doing that, okay? Just, if you hate sitting there with your own like breath and your germs like in your mask, here's a pro tip: carry a spare mask in your bag or your pocket somewhere, so then if you sneeze or cough in this one, you can just throw it away and get another one. I always carry extra masks. Usually it's actually not for myself. Carry an extra mask. I don't really know what to tell you other than be responsible and carry a mask. These things are not foolproof, okay? It's literally like, it looks like a diaper, you know, with like 2 strings attached to it. This is not forever. This comes off sometimes. What are you going to do when you leave your house with one mask and then the string breaks and then you have to walk around like this, like an idiot? Or you have to do this, which is equally as dumb. I mean, this one I guess is pretty valid. I see people go like this and they're like, I don't have a mask. Or I see people go like this, which is ineffective because then you reach into your wallet and then you touch your phone and then you touch other surfaces with the hand that you had in front of your mouth. Or they go like this, which I suppose is fine. But don't. I don't understand. Like, it's just so frustrating. Anyway, I have gotten way off of track because I have just started ranting about people and inappropriate mask use, and it's just not cool, especially in a time like this. We all need to be really careful. We all need to protect ourselves and also protect other people, which is, I think, the more important part of protecting ourselves. We have to protect ourselves and protect other people. And I think I mean, if you don't want to protect yourself, whatever, right? But don't put other people's lives on the line because you're too selfish to think about others, is what I'm trying to say. Anyway, before this video gets crazy and I start complaining about more things, I'm just going to cut it off right here. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Wear a mask, wash your hands, social distance, and save lives. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching, and as usual, I will see you guys next time. Bye!